வேற முடிஞ்சா தெரியாத
வீடியோ பாஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன் சரியா? பாஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இது டைப் பண்ணணும் சரியா?
இது
அட்மிட் 2 பேர் இருக்காங்க. யார் யாரு? என்னது சப்ஜெக்ட்? RNCH
இந்த காலைல 3 பேரும் 4 பேர் 4
3027
இது 9th எத்தனை பேர் இருந்துச்சு?
இது 4 5 10
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning, Kayla. Taylor, are you able to see the screen?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
இந்த ஹைலைட் வந்து நான் தெரிஞ்சது
அது என்ன
அது இல்ல அது இருந்தாலும் சரி வா அதை நான் பார்க்கலாம்.
Sir, can you hear my voice?
Hello.
Sir,
Sir, happy morning, sir.
sir,
Tell Saila. Anything?
I asked, I can't hear your voice, sir. Now only I can. That's why I asked.
Okay. No problem. Just today you have started some other device. That's
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
that's என்னது? Cancel.
செக் பண்ணுங்க பசங்க
Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Jagan, you are? எப்படி அந்த இது வந்துச்சு? ஓகே, அட்மிட் கொடுத்தாரு. இப்போ இது
க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க நீங்க
எது?
Then
Okay, shall we start?
yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we have seen uh, which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent, inconsistent. If consistent, append the solution graphically. Now you will be given two system of equations, the linear equations. Then you have to find it out whether it is consistent or inconsistent. Consistent means
Yes.
a1 by
Yes,
a2
sir.
is not equal to b1 by b2. That is one consistent. That is only one solution that will intersect, and that is called only one possible solution. Then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That is also consistent because they coincide one over the other. That's why that is also consistent. Now, inconsistent means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That is parallel lines. They are inconsistent. So you have to find it out. A1 by a2 is equal to what? That is 1 by 2. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
Then b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2. C1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. So all these numbers are equal. All these ratios are equal. Therefore, the equations are coincident. They have infinitely many solutions, possible solutions, and they are consistent. They are consistent.
Consistent.
Are you getting this one? Now you have to draw the graph on the graph sheet. Now, what is the solution for the table for the equation? First equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Then what is y is equal to 5 minus x? Now here, take any value of x. Any value of x is you can take 2, 3, 1 I have taken. You can take any value. 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 4, 5, anything you can take. But then what is the value according to x is equal to 2 means y is equal to 3. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
Any doubt? Then y
No,
is equal
sir.
to x is equal
No
to 3
doubt,
means
sir.
y is equal to 2
Sir.
and x is equal to 1 means y is equal to 4. This table is ready. Then what is the next one? Next one is
Sir, one
ah,
minute, sir. Sir, your screen I can't able to see, sir.
my screen you are not able to see.
Yes, sir.
Sir, me too, sir.
Uh, uh,
Sir,
uh,
sir, now only I came, sir. Now connection lost, sir. What you told, I don't know, sir.
you are not able to see the screen.
You
Yes,
didn't?
sir. Yes, sir. It's showing
Sir,
audio
you
Meeting
share.
didn't
topic.
share the screen, no, sir.
I have to share again. You
One
come here.
picture is there, sir. Meeting topic, host,
Host
password.
password,
That
name.
only I can see, sir. Sir, now what you told, sir, my
They are not able to
connection.
see the screen.
Hmm.
Students, see the screen. Share the screen. Hmm. Now are you
Sir,
able to
Yes,
see?
sir.
now,
Now it's
yes, sir.
visible, sir.
Now I can see, sir.
Okay. Then here.
Yes, sir. Now,
Now you are able to see, na?
yes, sir.
Okay. One minute.
யாருப்பா அது?
Okay.
வந்துருச்சு. வந்துருச்சு.
Okay. Now, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now comes the second equation. Now you see this one, what you can say? சொல்லுங்க, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? போயிட்டாங்க. ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஜெகன், பிரித்தி, பேசு, பாணி பேசு. மீட்டிங்ல இருக்காங்க. Okay.
Sir?
Are you able to hear now?
Yes, sir.
Are you able
Yes,
to see the
sir.
screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am spotting this one. Forward. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have drawn the table for the second equation, that is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Therefore, what will be
Yes, sir.
the y? Therefore, what will be this equation? Now, 2 y is equal to what? Y is equal to, now this 2x and all the things will go that side. Therefore, 10 minus 2x by 2. This is the equation. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now take any value for x. I have taken here 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Accordingly, what is the value of y? For 3, it will be 2. Why it is 2? No. Because if you put x is equal to 3 here, it will be minus 6. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Then
No doubt,
again,
sir.
you put x is equal to 2, it will be 3. How? If you put 2, 2 2s are 4, 10 minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Then when you put 1, the value will be 4. That will be 4 because if you put 1, 10 minus 2 by 8 is equal to 4. Now you spot the line on the graph. Line on the graph. Now what is that?
Graph.
3 2, this is 3 2. And
Uh,
2 3,
2, 3.
this is 2 3. And what is
Yes,
the 1 4? This is 1 4.
1, 4.
Therefore, you can join all the things. If it is in one line, then your graph is correct.
Graph is correct.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, see the previous one. See the previous one also. This is also the same thing, you see. 2 3. This also 2 3, 3 2, 1 4. The same values are coming. Same values are coming here. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
that also the same line. That is also the same line. Therefore, both the equations have the same line, one over the other. Therefore, these two system of equations are overlapping. System of equations are overlapping each other.
Overlapping.
Therefore, the equations have how many solutions are there? They will be having infinitely many solutions.
Many solutions.
Infinitely many
Many
solutions.
solutions.
The linear equations are overlapping each other and they have infinitely many solutions.
Many
Any doubt
solutions.
in this?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now go to the next. Go to the next. The same thing. Here we have two equations. Here you have two.
Two equations.
Here 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Any doubt here?
No doubt, sir.
Now, same way, 2x here 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, a1 by a2. What is a1 by a2? Equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
And b by 2 is equal to 1 by minus 2. It will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Is there any doubt anybody is having? 1
No
by
doubt, sir.
minus 2.
Yes,
1
sir.
by minus 2. If you, this is here, what is available? This is plus. Plus divided by minus is equal to
Minus.
minus. Plus divided by minus is equal to
Minus.
minus. Therefore, minus 1 by 2. Any doubt?
No
No
doubt.
doubt, sir.
Okay. Now, here C1 by C2 is equal to again minus 6 by 4. Minus by minus is equal to plus
Plus.
3 by 2. 3 by 2. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
This A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2.
My.
Why?
B.
Why is it?
Yes, sir.
Why it is so?
Not equal, sir. These two.
They are not equal. Why? This is 1 by 2. Another thing is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, A1 by A2 is not equal to
Not
B1
equal
by
to
B2.
B1 by
Doubt
B2.
in this. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, not equal to B1 by B2,
B1 by B2.
if this is not equal to B1 by B2, what is the conclusion? It has,
Ah.
they intersect, it has only one possible solution, and these equations are, what are they? The equations are consistent. The equations are consistent.
Distance.
Now what is
Consistent.
the table for this value?
8.
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Any doubt?
Not outside.
No doubt, sir.
Take any value of x, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, if you take 1, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4.
4.
Similarly, if you take 2, 2 2s are 4, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2.
2.
If you take 3, 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0.
0.
Same way, you take the solution table for this equation. Here, minus 2y is equal to minus 4x
4x
plus
4.
4. Then what is plus 2y? If you multiply this equation throughout, this plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Are you getting
Sir,
this? This is
the
very
solution table I can't understand, sir.
clear, huh?
Yes, sir.
Here, this step are which step you are not able to understand.
This
Solution
solution
table.
table, sir. 4x minus 2y minus 4.
Yes, sir.
Now, we want to find out y. We want to find out y, isn't it? We want to find out y. Any doubt?
Not outside.
Now it is having minus 2y. You keep the minus 2y here. Any doubt? Take other thing, this 4 here, and this minus 4 here. Any doubt? This
No
4x
doubt, sir.
minus
No
4x,
doubt, sir.
minus 4 will become plus 4. Any doubt here?
Sir,
No,
one
no
doubt.
doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, yes.
Sir, here 4x is there, no, sir. It
Ah.
will go that side, it have to divide, no, sir. Because it is in
No,
multiplication.
no, no, no. This is what 4x is adding. 4x is adding. That's why it is going. That
Oh,
this
yes.
one term, this 4x is one term. This is one term.
Okay,
This
sir.
is one term. 2x is one term. 4 is one term. That's why it is called polynomial. This is the three terms are available. That is, three terms are available. Therefore,
Available.
this y term here,
Yes, sir.
then you are taking other two that side. When you cross this equal to, the sign will get changed. Are you getting that one?
Not.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this one or not?
Yes, sir.
Getting, sir.
Now, minus 2y. Now, I wanted to convert this minus into plus. Convert this one into plus.
Plus.
What I have to do? Otherwise, what you have to do? This minus, you got to divide by minus. Whole thing. Or you multiply this one by minus. If you do both the sides, the value will not get changed. The value
Yes,
will not get changed.
change.
Therefore, if you multiply by minus, minus into minus, it will become plus. Minus into minus, it will become plus. Plus into minus will become minus. Any doubt here?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt,
Now
sir.
I want only y. I want only y. Therefore, this 2 will be
2
y.
will be divide. Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Therefore, y is equal to 4x minus 4 divided by 2. 4x minus 4 divided by 2. Any doubt?
No doubt,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Okay. Then plot these points in the graph. Plot these points in the graph.
Graph.
Now, here 1 4. 1 4. This is 1 4. Any doubt? 2
No doubt, sir.
2 2. It will be 2 2 here.
Yes, sir.
2, 2.
Yes.
Then 3, 0.
0.
3, 0 will be 3, 0. Any doubt? Now
ನೋಡಾಚೆ.
join this point. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Join this point. Therefore, this will be, this equation is 2x plus y minus 6. 2x minus 3 minus 6.
Is equal to 0. Yes, sir.
Now, the second one you have to see now. The second one will be 1, 0, 1, 0. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
ನೋಡಾಚೆ.
2,
0 minus
0
2.
minus 2. 0
Minus 2.
this one. Then minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1.
Minus 1.
So, if you join all these 3 points, this forming one line. This is in one line.
Right line.
If the
Yes,
points
sir.
are not in one line, your problem is wrong. The problem is wrong. So that's why we have taken 3 points. Normally, in your book and all the thing, we used to take only 2 points. Why we are taking 3 points? To
To
have
check the graph whether it is correct or not.
correct or not. Excellent, excellent. Therefore, the graph is correct or not. Now, both are intersecting at one point. Because it is consistent, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, it will have only one solution. That is 2, 2. 2, 2 is our answer. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, from the graph, it has been can be seen point, that is 2, 2. Any doubt in this?
ನೋಡಾಚೆ.
We go to the next problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, fourth problem. Now you see, this is the equation given. Two x minus 2y is equal minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is a1 by a2 equal to
2 by 4.
1 by 2. Any doubt?
ನೋಡಾಚೆ.
What is b1 by b2?
Minus 2 by 4.
Therefore, it will
1
be
by 2.
minus by minus will become plus. Any
Plus. ನೋಡಾಚೆ.
whenever you come across any minus sign, you give a stop.
Yes, sir.
What does minuses are doing here? You have to give a stop.
Yes, sir.
You have to proceed further. If you see any minus, then you have to see.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now C1 by C2 is equal to again minus 2 by minus 5. Again, you have to give a thought. Why? What these minuses are doing here? Therefore, minus by minus is equal to plus. Therefore, plus 2 by 5. Any doubt?
ನೋಡಾಚೆ.
Now, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. What is the condition? C1 by C2 means they are parallel lines.
Parallel lines.
Yes.
No solution.
There is no solution.
No solution.
There is no
Yes, sir.
solution.
Solution.
There is no solution. They are inconsistent.
Yes, sir.
They are inconsistent. Any doubt in this?
No
No doubt,
doubts.
sir.
Because if it is consistent, you have to show in the graph. If
Yes,
they are
sir.
not consistent, if they are inconsistent, you need not to do the graph. Okay?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next problem is fifth problem. Yesterday also we have discussed about this problem. Okay.
Yes, sir. Half
Yes, sir.
the perimeter of rectangle.
Half the perimeter.
Of a
Half
rectangle.
Half the
Of
perimeter.
a rectangular garden
garden.
whose length is 4 meter more than
Okay.
His width,
Now
Its
this is the
width.
rectangular garden.
width is
6
36
Rectangular
meter.
garden.
And
Any doubt in this?
Find the
No doubt, sir.
dimensions of the garden.
What is the perimeter, by the way, for a rectangle?
Uh, 2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus
L
B.
plus B.
This is L. This is
B.
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
L plus
This is also L.
B, sir.
Therefore, the perimeter is 1L, 1B, second L,
L.
second B. That is the perimeter.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this will be 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus
L
B.
plus B.
This is the 2 into L plus B.
Plus B.
Half means we are dividing by 2.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt here?
No doubt, sir.
Therefore, these two will get cancelled. Therefore, L plus B is equal to 36. Now here what we are taking, let the width of the garden be X. If the width is X,
Yes, sir.
the length will be Y. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now what is the condition? According to the condition, Y minus X. Y is the length. Y is the length. Therefore, Y minus X. The difference between the length and the width is equal to 4. Are you getting this one?
Yes, sir.
First equation. This is the first equation. This is the first equation saying that y minus x is equal to 4. Y minus x is equal to 4. Then why it is? This is the condition.
Yes, sir.
Whose length is 4 meter more than its width. More than its width. Width is here x. Width is x. Length is y. Length is y.
Y.
Therefore, length is y means y minus x is equal to how much?
4.
4.
Sir, 4.
Any doubt?
4.
Therefore, that is the condition of the equation 1.
Yes.
Condition 1 is written in the algebraic form. Now we have to go to the next condition. What is the next condition?
With
Next condition is
its width.
whose length is 1. Then what is given? Half the perimeter of the rectangular garden. Half the perimeter. Now the perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Half means it will be divided by 2 equal to 36. Now here length will be x because we have taken length is equal to x. Therefore, width is equal to, sorry, length is y and width is x.
X.
Therefore, y plus x is equal to 36. This is the second equation.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the first equation.
Okay,
This is
sir.
the second equation.
Yes,
Now we have written the conditions in the form of algebraic expression. We have
Yes,
written
sir.
both the conditions in the form of algebraic expressions. We require two equations to solve this problem. We got the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Any doubt is up to here?
No doubt, sir.
Now you have
No
to
doubt, sir.
write it. We have to draw this one graphically. Find the dimensions. We have to find out the dimensions. Dimensions means nothing but you have to find out the value of x and y. You have to find out the value of x and y. For that, you have to draw the graph because we are going to we are what we are doing it nowadays. We are solving the equations through graphical representation.
Yes, sir.
We are drawing these equations in the graph and we are checking at what point they are intersecting. For that, we require two tables for the
Yes.
two equations.
Yes, sir.
Solution table for the first equation. Therefore, y is equal to this 4. This minus x will be going to that side. Therefore, 4 plus x. Any doubt here?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now we'll take any value, any value, any value. Now what I have taken? I have taken 10, 20, 30.
30.
Why I have taken 10, 30, 20, 31, 2 I have not taken? Because half
Uh, the,
itself is 36. Therefore, it will be greater value. Therefore, you have to do the greater numbers. Okay, 10, 20, 30. If you put 10, what will happen? Y is equal to y is equal to if I put 10 here, y is
14.
equal to 14. Y is equal to 14. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No doubt,
If I
sir.
put 20 here, 24. If I put 30 here, 34. Any doubt?
no doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Similarly, second table. Solution for table for the second equation.
Y plus x is equal to 36.
36.
Y is equal to 36 minus
Minus
x.
x.
X,
Any
sir.
doubt in this?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now take same 10, 20, 30.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will be 26, then 16.
16,
16.
6.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
We are going to plot these points in the graph.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the graph?
Yeah.
Now, here 10, 14. I have taken here 10, 10 once a scale. The scale is very, very important. Whenever you draw the graph, the scale is very, very important. Scale
Yes,
is
sir.
important.
Yes, sir.
Without the scale, you cannot draw the graph.
Graph.
Yes, sir.
Now, I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units.
Meter.
10 meter.
Oh,
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
10 meter, 20 meter, 30
30,
meter.
40.
These are all the important things. Marking x-axis,
X dash.
x dash,
Y, Y dash.
y-axis, y dash, and
Y axis.
this y.
Yes, sir.
They are all important. Then plotting 10, 14. This is 10. 14 is somewhere here. 14 is somewhere here. Then 10, 14. You can take it because in the graph, full graph, you take full graph, you take it 2, 2 or 3, 3 or 5, 5 you can take. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now again 20, 24. This is 20, 24. 24 is here. 20, 24 somewhere here. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Then 30, 34. This is 30, 34 here. If all the points are in one line, check. If it is in one line, then your graph is correct.
Correct.
You have to put the arrow mark here. You have to put the arrow mark here. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Even along with this point, along with this point, you have to write the point also. You have to write the points also. Points in the bracket. That is
Yes, sir.
okay. The second is 10, 26, 10, 26 here. Then 2016, 2016, 20, this is 20, 16 is somewhere here. Then 36, 36. Now, if If all these lines are in one line, if it is in one line, your problem is correct. You are going in right direction. Put the arrow mark. Arrow mark here. Then write the equation.
Sir, 7th standard students are not coming in to our class.
Why sevens are coming here?
No, sir.
Don't
Who
say.
shared the link? I don't know. Yes, it is there.
Because this is the first day, we are having some change in the
Class.
class. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, they intersect with the point in one point. What is the point here? 2016. 2016.
16.
16? Here. 1620. 1620. This is 1620.
20.
Therefore, width is 16. 20. Any doubt in this?
Sir? No doubt, sir.
Shall we go to the
Sir.
next?
Yes, sir.
Now, what's the time now? It is 12. What's the time now?
12.
Sir, 11 2.
12. Our class is up to 11.
Yes.
What time we are having the next class?
11:15, sir.
11:15,
11:15,
sir. 15 minutes break.
Now we'll stop here. All were present.
Yes, sir.
No.
Nobody absent now?
Sir,
9 members are
wait.
there.
9 members, but 2 of them are 7th, no?
Why?
Yeah. Only 7 people are there.
1, 2, 3,
One is
4, 5, 6, sir. Only 6
Mithun is
members,
not
sir.
here, sir.
there's Soumya. Soumya absent. No.
Hey, Soumya was there.
Mithun only
Somebody is
not
absent.
Mithun absent, I think so.
Now we have
Yes.
1 minute. Now, Kailasri, Abhishek,
Sir,
here. Yes, sir.
Hari Maha is not from our class.
Sir, it's not our class, sir.
Okay.
sir, she was
Yes,
not
sir.
our class. And fast.
Kaushika, Soumya. Who is absent?
Mithun.
Mithun, sir.
Mithun Nathan, sir.
Mithun
Sir,
is-
why, sir? New class, new meeting ID.
Okay. Mithun is
Sir?
absent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, we'll see this problem tomorrow.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubts so far? Have you gone through this problem notes and all the things?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any problems, please come back.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
We'll see at the
Sir,
same.
why, sir? New meeting ID, new class.
No, what we are going to, we are doing, we are recording this in the YouTube, and the absent people can go through the classes later on also, whatever you are
Sir.
studying.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir.
But he's there.